Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Okay, so those of you who have been with me for a while know that we canned asparagus. And I did this for the very first time. I believe, let me look at the lid. I think it was back in July. Yeah, July. So, I haven't used them yet. And since I've never done this, I don't know what they taste like. I figured I would do this on camera. So here we are. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to put them in the broiler, but I opened it. They popped. It was really good. They smell like I just picked them. They smell amazing. YouTube, you need to do smell-o-vision. You really do, because we really need that. We need our viewers to smell what we're doing. Especially where food is concerned, because tomatoes smell like you just pick them, and the asparagus, oh, they smell so good, guys. They smell like garden fresh asparagus. And these, if you'll recall, I got these at Aldi. I believe they were 97 cents for a package, which was just over a pound. Let's see. This is what they look like. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so this is what they look like in the jar, a sealed jar. And I just wrote the month and the year on them. And these are 1.5 jars that I did these in. I did some in pint jars also. So I'm opening only one jar. And if I could find my fork. Let's see. Don't know what I did with my fork. Let me get a fork. Something's got my allergy. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these out of here. Now I am going to put them on a baking sheet, and I have covered the baking sheet with some non-stick spray. And look at that. They are fully cooked. Okay, fully cooked. They are not mushy. Absolutely not mushy. Going to put them on the baking tray. So let me find a small, here's a small, nope, that's not a small piece. Let me find a small piece that I can actually taste. Because I'm going to just lay these down on here. Oops. Okay, well, there's a small piece I can taste. Okay, so here, right here, can you guys see that? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to taste that. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Oh, if you like asparagus, this is so good, guys. It tastes like, I know there's some people that have asparagus steamers. My sister-in-law is one of them. It tastes as if you put them in an asparagus steamer and then just took them out. Of course, they're cold, but that's what they taste like. They are not mushy. Here's another piece. Now, this is the stem piece. I'm going to taste this one. That's the stem. Oh, wow. Tender. Melts in your mouth. Really, really good. Oh, this is so good. These are going to be so good. Broiled. Just maybe a little bit crisper than they are. They are so good. Look at, they kept their form. Can you see that? They're not falling apart. They're not mushy. They're really good. Now, I have never had store-bought canned asparagus, so I can't really tell you what that tastes like. If somebody uses that, let me know what it tastes like. What are they when they come out of the jar? I've only ever used fresh asparagus because growing up, my mom used to cook veggies until they were really, really mushy. And it made me hate a lot of veggies. And one of them was asparagus. The other one was green beans. And today, these are two of my very favorite vegetables. So I can't get enough of them. Asparagus, especially because they're a seasonal vegetable. I do have them growing in our backyard, and I brought them with me from the other house. I have a 4-year-old plant, gosh, excuse me guys, and a 3-year-old plant, and they both produced asparagus this year in a bucket because they were not planted in the yard. So, yeah, we didn't get a crop of asparagus like I wanted to, but next summer we will, or next spring, I guess we will. And look at how many got in a jar. I mean, this is what I would buy for my family. This is the amount that I would absolutely buy for my family. So I am going to broil them. I'm going to drizzle them with some olive oil and some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and that's it. And we're going to see how they come out. So I will videotape the results. I'm sure that they're going to be fine. I mean, look at this. That's not limp. They're not mushy. They come out like a cooked asparagus. I mean, that's what it tastes like. A cooked asparagus. So these are amazing. I will definitely do this again. Just by the taste, the flavor now, I totally like it. So I don't know if my husband and son are gonna like it, but if not, these are all for me. And hey, they're veggies. So yeah, these are amazing. So I am going to do a little bit of salt all over them. Like that. A little bit of, what is that? My Laurie's seasoned pepper, guys. My Laurie's, oh my gosh, I grew up with this stuff. Laurie's seasoned pepper, seasoned salt, you can't beat them. If you can get them, they are great. If you can't, email me, thecanningnana@gmail.com. I will send you some at cost, whatever I can get them at. This is the best seasoned pepper ever, 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 ever. Call Laurie's, email Laurie's. If they're not in your state, they need to be. This stuff is amazing. So I'm going to sprinkle these over here like that, because this stuff is so good. Now, I have all of this left, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to save the water. I might use it to make some other vegetables or something. I have to figure that out. I know I have fresh beets that I want to make, and I don't think that's going to go really well with the fresh beets, but green beans, if I cook green beans in the asparagus water, I think that'll go really good. So what do you guys all think? So how do they look? They're going to be really good, right? Drizzle. Where is my olive oil? Olive oil. Here we go. Santo Tomas. Drizzle olive oil on it like that. And they're ready for the oven. Okay, so I put them on, I always do asparagus, broil them. Put them in the broiler and watch them with the oil and everything on them. Even when they're raw, they take about 15 minutes raw. These are cooked. Pressure canning does cook your vegetables. So these are just going to get crispy a little bit. So that's what I'm shooting for, is putting them in the oven. I'm making fish sticks, battered fish, I guess. Fish and chips. That's what I'm doing, without the chips. So battered cod and macaroni and cheese and asparagus. So I'm going to put these in the broiler. I'm going to put them in the oven at first because that's where my fish is. And then I'm going to put them in the broiler, and I'm just going to crisp them just a little bit like I normally do for asparagus, and they're going to come out amazing. So if you guys have anything else that you want me to do this coming week, I know I have hot dogs. Hot dogs is number one on my list. I will get to the hot dogs this week. I've got 3 packages. I will get to them. I'm doing beans. I might do some chicken. I'm definitely doing carrots. I'm going to try to get some green beans. I'm going to try to get some corn and the summer stuff. So, oh, I wanted to show you guys one thing. Okay, so look at this. This is a pomegranate, okay? Compared to the size of my hand, right? This is a gigantic pomegranate. So I live on pomegranates while they're in season. I have one a day. Obviously not one this big. I have a quarter of this a day. This thing weighs about 6 pounds. It is amazing. Crazy. I've never, ever seen one this big. Pomegranates are really good for you. They have lots of vitamins in them, lots of antioxidants. Really, really good. If you guys can get pomegranates, eat them. You don't need to juice them. Just sit there and pick them, you know? They're really good. Okay, back to asparagus. So, I am going to cook these, and I am certain that they will be amazing. So if there's something that you guys want to see, some vegetables, some meat, anything else that you haven't seen me do yet, please let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the bell so that you're notified of all my new videos. And this week is going to be amazing. I will see you guys then. Bye. Hey, have a great Veterans Day. Thank you for your service for all the veterans out there, my husband included. Thank you.